Hey there, I'm John, and with 15 years in the solar industry, I've helped countless people understand solar technology and make smart financial decisions. Today, I want to tell you about the incredible solar incentives in New York City. They can actually pay you to go solar. You heard that right. Going solar in New York City can put money back into your pocket. If you stick around, I'll show you how going solar in New York City can earn you up to $2,600 in the first year alone and as much as $12,000 in the next 5 years. So let's jump in and see how this works. New York's amazing solar incentive. Now, the incentives for going solar in New York City are really out of this world. Now, not only can you go solar with no upfront cost, zero, but the city, state, and federal government incentives actually pay you to do it. It sounds crazy, but New York City has these great programs to encourage homeowners to go solar. Now, in this video, I'm going to be breaking down all the incentives you get when you purchase a solar system, whether you buy it with a loan or you pay cash. I'll show you how much you can save and what that looks like over time. Now, this isn't about leasing or PPAs where you just pay a low monthly rate for solar power. We're talking about true ownership, where you get to collect all the savings and all the incentives. The three big incentives for New York City solar owners. When you buy a solar system in New York City, the 5 boroughs, you're eligible for these three powerful incentives. One is the federal tax credit. You get a 30% tax credit on the cost of your system. That's basically a reduction on your federal income taxes and available to you no matter what your income level. Number two, New York State tax credit. New York State gives you an additional 25% off the cost of your solar system as a state tax credit. They max it out at $5,000. Three, New York City property tax abatement. New York City offers an exclusive incentive. You get 7.5% of the system cost back as a property tax abatement. That means your property tax gets lowered for the year by 7.5% of the cost of the system. And they pay it for 4 years, 7.5% first year, second year, third year, fourth year, for a total of 30% savings on your system costs. Now, these 4 incentives, they add up to an astonishing 85% of the cost of your system. 85% is paid for by the government. Let's look at the cost breakdown, cash versus loan purchase. Now, to break down the loan numbers and the cash numbers, let's start with a system that offsets, let's say, a monthly bill of about $200 a month. Now, the most convenient way to go solar in New York City is by taking a loan to buy the solar system. There is no out-of-pocket expense when you buy solar with a loan, zero. Your monthly loan payments will start after the system is installed. Now, the monthly loan payment for a system that offsets a $200 bill from Con Edison would be around $94 a month. That's it, monthly payments of $94 a month, and they'll kick in only after the solar system is installed. Let's look at how the numbers stack up. So, monthly expenses are obviously your loan payment. Like I said, for a $200 a month electric bill, you will end up with a loan payment of $94 a month. And that adds up to about $1,128 per year. Let's look at the savings and the incomes. Now, the savings come from your electric bill, and that'll be around about $170 a month. After solar, your Con Edison bill of $200 will reduce to around $30 a month. The $30 are basically fixed charges that solar can't offset. $170 is gone. Just $30 a month is your electric bill. So your electric bills go down by $170 a month, or about $2,040 a year. Remember that property tax abatement? You'll get about $1,928 in year one. So your electric savings and your tax income, they add up to $3,969 in year one. So at the end of the first year, you're actually making money. Your income minus expenses for the first year is $2,840, or about 237 every month. This is ridiculous. You are going from spending $200 a month every month of electricity to earning 237 bucks a month after going solar. That's being paid to go solar. And the long-term savings are incredible. Over 5 years, you're going to be making $15,000 off your solar system, 15,077 to be exact. And by year 25, you would have made 90,759 from your solar system. Awesome. Now, should you buy cash or buy loan? Actually, both cash and loan options are fantastic in New York City. With cash, you will save slightly more, 94,667 by year 25. With a loan, you end up at 90,759. So, not very different, but I like the loan better because you don't have to pay anything to start out with. If you go cash, you'll have to put out the money for your system and then you get the money back. So, if you're in New York City, any of the 5 boroughs, living in a single family home, it's just time to go solar. Don't keep paying those high electric bills when you could be earning money instead. Whether you choose cash or a loan, New York City's solar incentives make it a win-win. Why pay $200 a month when you could earn $237 a month instead? What's the cost of doing nothing? You'll pay Con Edison $90,500 over the next 25 years if you just continue to pay your electric bills. And this I've calculated with a nominal 3% inflation rate. If inflation is more than that amount is going to be even bigger. Switch to solar and make money instead. Over 90 grand in the next 25 years when you buy it with a loan, no out-of-pocket expenses, not a penny, and from year one you have money in your pocket, 237 bucks a month. If you're ready, reach out to me to make the switch. And if you have any questions about going solar in New York City, reach out to me. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more solar tips. See you around the next time.